Hello friends, this will be the fourth and final part of our 2020 GS Paper 1 Prelims question paper discussion that we have been having through the series of videos. More such prelims related discussion videos I would try to make, and I would definitely try to upload it. And as to the question of whether these logic can be applied in the examination hall, or whether these are only some tricks which are being applied, no. If you please closely watch, in the prelims question paper, these logics are the only way through which you will be able to clear this exam. So for example, I have, as I told you, I have written some 8 mains. So I have cleared 8 times the prelims. 8 times, if you see, all the 8 times I was scared, I was anxious, I was not sure whether I was going to clear the next day. I was not sure whether I would know all the questions. I was also not sure of the answers which I wrote on that moment. What I did was I had these core subjects prepared very well. So all the core subjects of polity, economics, history, geography, environment, these things I used to prepare very hard from the basic books that were available, and a little bit of current affairs from the paper which I read very regularly. But after that, the questions, when I reach the examination hall, when I go into the hall and see the question paper, till that moment, so for example, till the moment of 9 o'clock on the morning of prelims, I used to be very scared or very anxious of what the questions might be, or what are all the different combinations of questions they can ask, and whether I would be able to solve these questions even on the things which I knew very well. But I did not have an answer for that, or I was not sure of that, or I was very scared of actually failing prelims. But each time I went inside the examination hall, I applied these logics. So that is the thing which I am trying to put across through these videos, is that applying these logics is the only way through which we can clear this preliminary examination. Or people clearing this examination, maybe once or twice they may have read something and that could have come and they could have cleared this exam. But if you really ask them whether they knew all the answers or all the questions, they would never know all the answer for all the questions which were asked. If they were saying yes, they knew all the answers, no, they are definitely lying. Unless and until it happens to be a very answer based MCQs, like it was in the prior to 2010 question papers of having 150 questions in 2 hours. GS paper 1 was like that. Those questions can be answered. It was a one word kind of questions which are now being asked in RBA and SBA. But UPSC exam has changed. These are exams which are very, very logical. UPSC based examination overall have become a very logical examination where you cannot be sure of the answers. So only by applying this logic, only on the day of the examination, you will know whether you can clear this exam. So do not panic, do not be scared, do not be anxious. Be very confident of what you are learning. Be very confident of what you are learning, the core subjects, and go inside the examination hall. Leave the rest to the universe. It will take care of itself, and use these logics and solve question paper and come out of the hall, check the answer. You will definitely clear.